Yes! With this, you wouldn't really know anything is going on in here. Like, it's so confusing. Like, where now is our waist? Would I be able to pull this off and not look ridiculous? No, I would not. I definitely see myself like strutting with this. It's not really flattering me at all. It does have a slit. Oh my goodness. So I'm still trying to figure out how exactly I want to film this video. So what I'm going to do right now, I feel like I'm matching with my couch over here, which is not actually a bad look. I'm going to be unboxing as well as trying out some of the items I got from Shein. I'm hoping this is fun. I cleared my entire space. It's going to be a long video because this is a huge box, right? And what I'm going to do, because why not, I'm just going to pour everything down, right? Yes! Let's just do this because whew, a lot. So I basically got clothes that I could wear now that I cannot fit into my normal dresses and clothes. I'm just gonna start from any random one in no particular order. I'm just gonna pick and get right into it. So what I think I'm going to do is to start off first with the two pieces just so we can get it over with and we could also mix match at the same time. Now this is the first two pieces that I got. I definitely, in my head, I was thinking these shorts were going to be like shorts because that's kind of my vibe, but now it's looking like I don't know what I played b-ball in high school, so this is kind of looking like a jersey short if that makes sense. But yeah, it's still cool, it's still comfy. I love that it has like pockets so that way I could pull my phone in. But I definitely also love the color, which looks so good on me. Not my lapel mic. Okay, not mad at it. It's cool, but I wish the shorts were maybe a bit shorter. I'm sorry guys, but this is totally me. With this, you wouldn't really know anything is going on in here. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like. It's giving me like a tomboy, tom girl kind of vibe. Wow, I'm already feeling like this might just be my least favorite item just because I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm really trying to understand why I picked this. What's going on here? It is sagging. I don't know if this is how pregnant women dress because this is how I've been dressing for a while. Like, I just keep pulling things up here and it feels so much comfortable like this as opposed to like it's so confused. Like, where now is our waist? Is it here? Is it here? Or is it here? Because this is like the perfect waistline. So yeah, this is basically how I have this styled right now. Now this makes sense. Turn around and snap. I don't know what that was, but it was something. Okay guys, now I think we're getting somewhere, but again, I'm still having issues with finding my waistline. Like like it just looks weird like this, right? So what I'm going to do is, this has like an elastic band. It's supposed to be the way the girl styled it, she kind of tucked it in, which looked so good. But would I be able to pull this off and not look ridiculous? No, I would not. So yeah, this is what we look like. This is the back of the two-piece, guys. So before I change this entire outfit, I just wanted to try out this bomb shorts that I got as well. This is really the struggle of the bump. Like, I got this a while back and it fitted. Now it doesn't fit, but as you guys can see, the cuteness really isn't working. Like, no matter how hard you try, your body keeps changing. I want to say every single day. So this fitted me as of last 2 weeks, and now I can't barely even button it up. And when I tried it on the first time, it was a tad bit oversized, so I was like, yay, finally. But now that I'm doing the try on, the official try on, it's not my size anymore. Guys, now this is a 2-piece that I actually like, because I feel like this just gives me like that, I want to say rich auntie vibe, casual, but like I'm dressed up, but like not too dressed up, if that makes sense. In case you guys notice anything off about my lighting, I am filming now with studio lighting. I'm no longer using natural lighting, so yeah, just so you guys know that. Something I'm noticing with this now that I'm looking at my monitor is that it's a bit transparent, and I also noticed it with the pants. Let me just move back a little bit, bear with me. So yeah, with this it is transparent. I'm not a huge fan of this. I feel like it just takes away from the quality and also from the vibe basically, but generally I love the color, I love the fit. This is the back. Let me move forward a bit. This is the length with my waist now being here. I can raise this up and look like this. Yeah, so this is another 2-piece outfit. Definitely you can button this up, also button this up. I kind of like the color. I feel like it would look a little bit weird, but looking at it right now actually does look decent. So yeah, this is what this looks like. Let me turn the back again, kind of similar to the cream one, but it's a different material. This is what the length is like. It's a different material. It is not as transparent as the previous one, so I'm not mad again. I'm not a fan of the cut, like the length, if that makes sense. I feel like it's just like an awkward length right here. I wish it was either shorter or longer. I still cannot let this loose because I'm not wearing, yeah. Not bad. I'm not mad at the color. Again, this is such, I'm struggling with where to exactly position the pants. And yeah, I just find it like, oh, when I put it here, like, oh yeah, perfect. Like, let me turn to the back so you guys can see. Again, this is what the length is like. Just to be honest, this one I actually genuinely like. I like the color, I like the pattern, I like the fact that like the quality is so different from the other one that I tried, and this just looks amazing. This is also a 2-piece outfit. I could definitely button it up halfway or button it up. It's actually full length, so I can button it up down, or I can button it all the way down and have it actually looking like a dress. I can leave it all the way up like this, have it kind of that you know, that peekaboo effect, in case you guys want to like peekaboo. Definitely this one has a better quality compared to the previous one. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. Yeah, I definitely see myself like strutting with this. We could rock this one. Don't ever get like a button or a zip, because now, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna zip this up. So let me just button this right here and right here. This is what it's looking like. It does have a pocket here. I really do wish, I think I kind of messed up with the size. I don't know, I'm not just liking the fit. Well, nah, bruv. It's not flattering. It's not really flattering me at all. I like it, but I'm not seeing it. But right now, I just feel like it's flat. All the models on the website were like my previous size. They were all like size 6 model, like looking, you know, giving me all sorts of, yeah. But yeah, this is what this dress is looking like. It's not bad, but I feel like it's just too big. Like, I'm actually looking at myself in the monitor right now and I'm like, okay, this is actually not so bad. However, it could have been better if it was like a little bit fitted. Now it just looks Yeah, like that. This just covers you up perfectly. Side view, it looks like the dress is big, but like it doesn't look like anything is going on. Yeah, it just looks like the dress is big. Okay, okay. All right, guys. So, I think I got it right with the two pieces, the two-piece sets, because now I'm literally looking like a kaite. Like it's not so bad, but it's just not my cup of tea. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me face you. Let me turn. Hey. Let me face you. Okay. It just looks old, and I don't know. I don't know if it's the pattern. No, it's not really the pattern. It's just. But yeah, this is what this looks like. This is actually a jumpsuit. I love the pattern. I'm not mad at it. I feel like this would be perfect for like a beach day, a sunny day, something really, you know, outdoorsy that makes sense with a lot of sun. Yeah, it would work. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The fit is okay. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect, it's comfortable. Could I have gotten it a size smaller? Maybe. But again, I am still like, does it have a butt? It has a pocket. This is just the perfect size, period. Let me move back a bit so you can see the full length again. The front, right? This piece right here is actually such a cute one. I'm not even going to lie. Again, the fit just like the previous one. Yeah, this is what it's giving. When this is steamed out, ironed out, I feel like it's going to look amazing. But this is what it's giving right now. Let me just do this. I feel like I'm so hopeful for this outfit. Let me see how I can zip this. Hopefully, this. This. Did it zip? Oh, it did. This is an outfit that actually fits. I was worried that this would not zip up, but I'm guessing that's because the band or the what's it called is over here, right? As opposed to like somewhere here. Yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. Oh, I see myself going on a vacation with this dress. Forward looking. I love it. It does have a slit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so now I know better. Now I know how to shop for someone who is expecting. This is something you could definitely work with. But yeah, let me show you guys the back. This is what the back is even gorgeous. Give it, but this is what it's looking like. It complements my entire background. This is a yes for me. Definitely a yes. A definite yes for me. I love it, guys. So this is another dress. I don't know what I was thinking. Who has the time to do all this? Apparently I'm supposed to like do this. Like so. Perfect. Back. That was basically. It does have a slit. Okay, it's not bad. I just feel like it's just not sitting right, if that makes sense. Let me take my hair out of the way. This is what it's looking like. Am I mad at it? No, it is still giving a bit of sexiness, if that makes sense. And it is also still comfortable. This is what the back looks like. This set, this is actually a two-piece set. I actually missed it when I was doing the two-piece try on. This gathering right here gives enough ruche, kind of makes it less obvious, if that makes sense, because again it's pleated over here, so it's gonna probably help cover up the bump. And the back is sexy because it has like a little bit of like a peekaboo going on. I want to show you guys what this looks like full length. I feel like I could be pregnant but still look very cute by the time I'm done styling this. But let me just take this microphone off so you guys can see the actual length of this and the style. So this is like the PJ set. This is so cute. Like I love animal print, so I saw this and I'm like, this is actually, in terms of quality, this is amazing. Like this is not a bad job at all. This is so comfortable. The shorts are short and they are so comfortable at the same time. Still cute. a little booty behind. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I did get 3 of this. I got one of this one leopard print, a pink one, and then a black one. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This last one is literally almost the same color but different vibes, like a very free, easygoing, easy to put on, easy to take out dress. It has like a crisscross back. Let me just put this on. It's easy to put on and also easy to take off. It is super comfortable. It's free, so I can literally stretch into it. And this is what the back looks like again. This is what it looks like. It makes the bump look so sexy and cute at the same time. Like it. So yeah, I think that's about it for this set. This is what we have going on, and yeah, that is it, guys. This is the end of this entire haul try on unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is me trying on outfit that I feel like might be flattering for someone who has a bump, someone who is expecting, someone who is pregnant and is still trying to figure out how to style the bump basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found this helpful, because again, I don't even know if this is going to be helpful, because I'm trying to even help myself if I can help anybody, because this is a struggle for me. But so far so good. I think we had a couple of few pieces that I'm actually not mad at, that I actually really like, including this one right here. This is so gorgeous and I'm not mad at this one at all. Perfect for summer, perfect for like beach. Yeah. So in case you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Do not go anywhere. Feel free to join the family, subscribe, and check out my previous videos. Yeah, stick around, check out my previous videos right here, watch them, join the family, and let's just get acquainted. Okay, so I'll see you guys in one of these videos. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye guys.